Hey everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT Agent feature to find and secure a unique, unregistered domain name for your project. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect domain name, you're going to love this. So I was looking for a domain name for my new media project, and I decided to use ChatGPT's Agent feature to help me out. This tool can do a lot of the heavy lifting behind the scenes, so let me walk you through how it works. First, let me explain what the ChatGPT Agent feature is. Basically, it's like having an assistant that can browse the internet for you and check things in real time. Instead of you manually going to different websites and checking domain availability one by one, the agent does all that work for you. So I started by telling the agent what I needed. I said I want a short, catchy domain that ends with media and is still available as a .com. You can be as specific as you want, like if you want it to be related to your niche, or if you have certain keywords you want included. The agent then got to work, hopping across different websites and services to check domain availability in real time. This is the cool part. You don't have to do anything. Just sit back and let it do the research for you. Behind the scenes, the agent visited several domain registration platforms and DNS lookups to see if the domains I was interested in were already taken. It filtered out the ones that were unavailable and compiled a list of fresh, unregistered domains that were ready for registration. In just a short while, the agent came back with a list of domain names that were not only catchy and relevant, but also still up for grabs. It saved me a ton of time and effort. Now, here's the important part. After it gave me the output, I cross-checked the domain availability by visiting a domain registrar myself, and I found out the ChatGPT agent did a perfect job finding unregistered domains. As I checked each domain one by one, I found them to be available for registration. Then I also asked the agent to find me more domains, and it did, and those were also unregistered. So the accuracy was really impressive. Let me show you exactly how to do this. You go to ChatGPT, and you need to make sure you have access to the agent feature. This might be available in the paid version, so check if you have access to it. Then you simply tell it something like, I need you to find unregistered domain names for my project. I want domains that are short, contain the word media, and are available as .com domains. Please check domain availability across different registrars. The agent will then start browsing different domain checking websites and give you a list of available domains. It's that simple. This is a great trick for anyone struggling to find great, unregistered domains. Usually, when you're brainstorming domain names, you come up with ideas and then you have to manually check each one. With this method, the agent does the brainstorming and the checking for you. You can also ask it to focus on specific niches. Like if you're building a tech startup, you can ask for domains related to technology. If you're starting a food blog, ask for food-related domains. The agent will tailor its search based on your requirements. One thing to keep in mind is that domain availability changes quickly. So once you find a domain you like, don't wait too long to register it. Someone else might grab it. Another tip, you can ask the agent to check for different extensions too, not just .com, like .net, .org, or even newer extensions like .tech or .app if they fit your project. So that's basically how you use the ChatGPT Agent feature to find domain names. It's a huge time saver, and it can come up with creative combinations that you might not think of yourself. If you don't have access to the Agent feature yet, you can still use regular ChatGPT to brainstorm domain name ideas and then manually check their availability. But if you do have access to the Agent feature, definitely give this a try. So that's it for this video. This method has saved me so much time when looking for domain names, and I'm sure it'll help you too. Let me know in the comments if you try this out and what domains you end up finding. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you want to see more such content, and I'll see you in the next video.